That is nice. Sony Amplifier TA-N80ES. Let's see how it's work.
PR.org. When you purchase a ticket from us, the price you
good.
pay does stay right here to help fund the shows you listen to here. Tickets are specially priced and there are no added fees or
as I'm coming clean.
Yes, stop by Smith's Food and Drug to pick up best foods and all the ingredients.
Back on every purchase, just sound.
For breaking news, wake up with the CW. For top stories, wake up with the...
Works fine. Sony N80ES. Very heavy unit, about 60 pounds probably. Thank you for looking. Good luck.